Hi guys, welcome to my channel where today we're going to turn a Harbor Freight US General mini toolbox into a miniature room box. So I'm going to leave this front in here, and I kind of puzzled over this. How are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? How are we going to do it? So I'm going to decorate it from the top and from the front hole, and then when we're all done, I'm going to turn it on its side. You can't see, but I'm going to turn it on its side. That hole will be on the, I can do it this way. I'm going to turn it where this hole is on the desk, and then I'm going to put some acetate in there, and it'll be enclosed. It'll be completely enclosed. The only thing we'll be able to do is hopefully turn on some lights that I'm going to install once we get the inside done. So what I think I'm going to do is open it up along this seam, right here. And I'm going to pull that seam to the outside first thing. So what I did do is I tore off these two top flaps, the two bottom flaps, so now we have a smooth surface down inside there to work on. But what I'm going to do, since all we're going to do right now is decorate walls and floors, is we're going to do the walls and the floors and then this ceiling, install lights, and then I need for you guys, my wonderful, absolutely long-time subbies, I want you, and my new subbies, thank you for coming on board, I want you to tell me in the comments, which room do you want to see done? So for now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take white cardstock and cut everything out. And the last thing we'll do is this window, because like I said, we're going to make everything. We're going to, once we're done making all the miniatures, I got to do some measuring because this will be in 1/24 scale. So 2 inches, is it 2 inches equals 1. So if it's 10 feet equals 10 inches, then 10 feet in 1/24 scale I think would equal 5 inches. So we're going to take a 1/12 scale, cut it in half, and that's about the size of this room or a little bigger. I'm just going to do some measuring and some eye spying it, looking at it that way. But we're going to get started. I'm excited, and the inspiration goes out to Dash of Dave. I will link his channel in the description box. He's working on a room box. I was so excited. And I haven't done anything in my minis in forever, and I am excited to do that. It's good therapy. It's good for my soul. And I am going through, we all go through stuff on the holidays, but I just think that this is going to be good for my soul. So tell me, what room do you want us to do? And I'm still working on the gnome home, guys, and I'm still working on other minis here and there, but I think I threw away my kitchen box, which broke my heart. But we might put a window on the back side of this too, on this piece right here, to make it a 3D, like a winter scene, right? I think we will. That'll be fun. All right, let's get started. Quickly in the comments, though, tell me what room you want to see done, okay? So when we come back, we'll be working on, I actually think I'll do a community post, and we'll do a vote. We'll do kitchen, living room, or other. And then whoever gets the most votes, that's the room we'll do. All right, guys, let me know in the comments, what do you want to see done? And don't forget to watch for my community post. I'll put a poll there as well. Thank you, folks. I do appreciate all of you, and I shall see you in the next video really soon.